Hi, my name is Eric Guzman. I'm a developer on the web designer team, and I'll be giving you a brief introduction to web designers' text editing capabilities. In this demo, I'll show you how to use the text tool to create text containers, format text, add Google Fonts to your document, and some advanced workflows when dealing with text. Text editing in web designer should be familiar to anyone used to working with word processing applications, but also provides unique features that cater to markup-conscious designers. Now we'll take a look at how to add text containers to our document. To add text containers to our document, first we'll need to activate the text tool. Locate the text tool icon in the toolbar and click it to activate the text tool. A text container is simply an HTML element that allows text to be inserted into it. So we can create a text container by simply clicking and dragging on the stage. This is a container of fixed dimensions. You can also create a text container by clicking anywhere on the stage, and you will get a text container of automatic dimensions. The field is automatically made editable, so you can begin typing as soon as you click. Now let's clean the stage up by selecting and getting rid of some of these elements here. Now we'll talk about formatting text in Web Designer. To modify visual properties of text, we use the formatting options provided by the text toolbar. The text toolbar is located at the top of the stage when you've selected the text tool. Web Designer provides various formatting options that can be applied to portions of text or entire text containers. Now, when you've activated a field for editing, you can select portions of text to format. For example, here I want to select the first line and make that my heading. So I'll go to the tag drop-down and I'll select H1. Now this middle section I would like to become a paragraph, so I'll select that and format that as a paragraph using the P tag. This last bit of text here I would like to make a hyperlink, and we'll use the Create Hyperlink button and enter a URL. Now if we want to style the entire text container, click outside of your active edited field. You'll notice that we still have the blue highlight around your element. Now formatting option changes will affect the contents of your container. In this case, we'll increase the font size. We can also choose a new font. Now Web Designer is integrated with the Google Font service, which provides hundreds of open source fonts to use when creating designs. You can add Google Fonts to your document by clicking on the Add Fonts button. This brings up a dialog from which you may choose the web fonts to add. Let's go ahead and choose Open Sans, and one of my favorites, Lobster, and hit OK. You'll notice that these font faces are added to your list of available fonts in your font drop-down. When these fonts are available, simply use the font drop-down to apply them to your text. Now if you look at Code View, you'll notice that we simply add a link tag that references the Google Font service, and we provide the list of font faces to include. Now, we're big fans of a three-dimensional web here on Web Designer, so we've made sure our text tool works in 3D. Perhaps you're working on a new 3D layout, or you just want to gain a different perspective on your design with our stage rotation tool. Our text tool allows for editing in place in a 3D world. Now that concludes my demo of the text tool. Again, my name is Eric Guzman. Thanks for listening.